fam, hope this message finds you all one great spirits. Well. I had this request a lot. People wanted some questions, wanted some answers. Why VMP? We're gonna discuss all that. We have a ride in the College Mamba, the plans, the who, what, when, where. As you can see, we are hemorrhaging pretty bad. I'm almost positive we gotta replace the motor at this point. But stay tuned, we're gonna talk about this beautiful car coming up this weekend. We're gonna get underneath of it, really look at what's going on. But yeah, this is not good. Anyways, let's talk about the VMP in 2018. Let's talk about the fact that the Mamba is getting the VMP kit, the 2018 Odin kit. Why we pursued the VMP Odin 2018 Plus kit. Now, why did we go with the VMP kit? Well, there's a few factors involved. And I know people are gonna say, well, obviously you're gonna go with VMP because VMP is sponsoring the build and supporting the build. No, I've been blessed where I've kind of been the prettiest girl at the ball, if that makes sense, where I've had a lot of shops contact me to work with me with different various kits for the Black Mamba, and I just didn't know exactly what I wanted to do and what I wanted to go with. And the main reason I went with VMP was one of few things, above myriad of reasons, and we'll talk about the butt dyno as we go forward in this drive. I like the fact that it was a one-stop shop. I really like the fact that they would do the install, they would tune it, they would do the hardware, the software. VMP makes their own fuel systems, they make their own pulleys, obviously they make their own superchargers. They also tune the cars, and they do a lot of track support, and also they're always at they're a big part of the Mustang community. They're at all the Mustang events, which is where I go to anyways. And they're very good with video. And the VMP Gen 3R changed the game. And from talking to Justin, talking to VMP, the Odin kit was going to do the same thing. I felt like I maximized the Mamba NA. We could have gone really aggressive and copied Steed up and go for that factor, but at that point I was really wanting to go boost, and the Mamba deserved it, you guys deserved it. And talking to VMP and what they were able to provide, I like the fact that the car is being taken care of and taken apart and looked at by the same team and company who's going to boost the car, tune it, and put all the software on it. And also going to be with me at the various events we do this year. So it was a match made in heaven. Yes, we still have to do things like we have to look at and perform dyno tests and drag strip tests, which we're going to do because, as you know, we left Mamba with VMP for the winter time to do all that work with it. And we'll come back and we'll have a big subscriber meet and some fun at VMP when the time is right in January, if not February. So stay tuned for that. But now let's talk about the butt dyno. You know, let's talk about how it felt. The butt dyno, if you will, felt phenomenal. I'm gonna get killed from the comments for that. Thank goodness for traction control. Traction control was saving my life there.
Traction control was pissed off.
Oh gosh, yeah.
So they just came back from their test drive.
Check it out.
How does it feel?
Dude,
How does it?
this GoPro has stayed on a Dodge Demon, a twin turbo Mustang, a Whipple Mustang all the time on test drives, on the racetrack. I took it on one drive on the Odin VMP car and she flew off. Having a chance to just do some quick rolls and digs, it was a quick test drive. And most of the test drives we've done are quick. I really feel like this is going to be a phenomenal kit. I'm super excited. Now to talk about the Odin kit itself, you know, the one thing I really like about it is has phenomenal cooling. Has 3 intercoolers on top. I'll cut to VMP's clip about how much it has as far as new technology is concerned. They teamed up with Magnuson, so you know the parts are already going to be good.
And the engineers at Magnuson and come up with this awesome design. going to a blow-up design where the supercharger no longer discharges into the valley, but discharges into the lid, allows us to package much more intercooler in the supercharger system overall inside the manifold. You know, we may not be first to market, but we wanted to bring it to market right. And knowing that some of the other superchargers out there have limitations in terms of temperatures and inlet flow, we did not want to be constrained. We wanted to allow the TVS 265 rotors to perform to their ultimate potential.
And from talking to many of the people that are already boosted, you know, I've heard nothing but great things about VMP and their kits as it stands. So, you know, what I have to say is this. Basically, the proof's going to be in the pudding. You're going to see when we do the car how it performs, how it does. And, you know, I come to the realization we're going to eventually have to get a parachute and a you know, roll cage, because Mamba's going to be that fast. And that's okay. That's part of the process. But I hope this answers some questions. We have a lot more coming. Stay tuned to VMP's own YouTube channel for stuff on the Odin kit and the Mamba. Of course, we're going to come back and return and have all types of fun. Subscriber meet, a dyno day. We'll take it to the drag strip. We're going to race some other our friends like Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle and others. So it's going to be a lot of fun coming up in 2020. But I wanted to make sure I got that caveat out there for why we went with VMP for Mamba and what it meant. And, you know, I hope that answers your question. I'll put a link to the kit down below. If you have any questions, hit up VMP and tell them I sent you, and we'll go from there. But anyways, we have a lot of stuff planned with this guy. This crazy college Mustang, the college Mamba. Didn't last long. The college Mustang has already broken down on us, sadly. So she's gonna make her trip to Casper's. She's gonna get some lovely Chinese, went and just dead. But I think it's the alternator that's gone on it. So we're gonna tow her up and see what happens. Luckily, it's not lowered, so you don't have to worry about the planks.
I'm really worried about the
Yeah. You don't worry. This is the one time you don't have to worry about nothing. Yeah, he towed the black Mamba before, and he was being very delicate. This thing, not so much. So that's the plan. There's a lot of oil down there, so there's a ton of oil. Yep. When I got home, there was like nothing left in it. Well, I'm out of a car right now because Black Mamba is in Florida. College Mamba is going back to Casper's. I'm going to pick up the white Mamba. We were fixing some things on it with getting it ready, but this is, here we go. definitely. This is, I don't know what I got myself into, guys. Oh, this is gonna be a project. Oh my God. What did I do? Oh, I didn't bite off more than I could chew. This is just wrecked. As you can see here, all that oil. Plus you can see down here. All right. Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. And okay, we got to make this a habit. When she's done, I want you to come see her. We're shooting for like early to late 2025. Yeah, she needs some help. But hey, I always appreciate it, bro.
Thanks, brother.
Thank you so much. Have a good night. All right, so there we go. Mamba is headed to Todd's, to Casper's, and that's all she wrote. I just got you back. I just got you back. And no, she had to go anyways. But the saga continues, man. Here we go. It never ends. Peace.